This short video describes an example of the use of filters in the Financial Aid tab. To deepen the understanding of student subpopulations, you can click on the drop-down menus of any of the filters offered in any tab of this dashboard. In this example, we selected two filters in the Financial Aid tab: Latino in ethnicity and academic year 2021-22. If you hover over the California Promise Grant in the first pie chart, you will get that 15,275 California Promise Grants were awarded to Latino students in 2021-22, and that this count of California Promise Grants represents 34.83% of the total number of awards granted to Latino students during the 2021-22 year. Additionally, if you hover over the California Promise Grant in the second pie chart, you will get that 7,577 Latino students received the California Promise Grant, which represents 41.88% of the Latino students who received financial aid awards during 2021-22. Finally, the bar chart shows the total number of awards granted to Latino students in 2021-22, which equals to 43,859 awards. The bar chart also shows the unduplicated number of Latino students who received financial aid awards during that academic year, which equals 8,103 students.